Have you ever sneezed and heard someone say, "Bless you"? This intriguing phrase has an interesting origin. The belief that when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond led to this custom. Ancient cultures thought sneezing could expel evil spirits or even signal a soul's departure. Saying "bless you" was a protective measure against these dangers. Scientifically, sneezing is a powerful reflex that expels irritants from the nasal passages, often involuntarily. While your heart doesn't actually stop, the phrase remains a cultural fixture. So next time you sneeze, remember this fascinating blend of science and tradition. Like and subscribe for more intriguing insights.